Hi, Raylan here. Just wanted to get on here and review this hyaluronic acid serum. Very premium ingredients. It's from One Hero Labs and it is stunning. It's very smoothing, very hydrating, and it's going to actually protect and repair. So it has all of the high quality ingredients you could want. It has hyaluronic acid, like I said, vitamin E, vitamin B5, and lecithin. I have a whole bunch of antioxidants. Now I have been using One Hero Labs for quite some time, and I have to say this is like one of my go-to formulas, going to give you that plump skin, and it's going to just really help your skincare over time. Now we're going to use this on the chest and on the neck as well. And if you notice, it's like this very lightweight formula, but it doesn't feel like an oil at all. It feels very soothing, very hydrating, very like moisturized. And of course we get like that nice glass skin texture and that little plump. So I absolutely love it. It comes in a little glass bottle, and of course the glass bottle is dark, so the ingredients are able to stay in the bottle for longer and they don't expire as quickly. So we love One Hero Labs. My skin looks amazing and feels amazing and cool and smooth.